Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upload an item to the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the sell button at the bottom of the page. So first you can upload photos. If you click on the upload photos button, you can add up to 20 photos, and you can also click on the see photo tips button, and then they will tell you what to pay attention to and what to avoid when you're uploading pictures of your clothings. So then give them a title. This can be the type of clothing that you upload. As you can see in the example, you can write the color and the brand of the clothing as well. And then describe your item in a few words. As in the example says, you can write how many times that you wore, or if it's true to the size, or if it's a bit bigger or smaller. And then choose the category, which, as you can see, there are many categories within women, within men section. There's also a kids section, so you can just browse through that. And then just find the brand of the clothing. Of course, if it's no name, there's the option for that too. And then it's very important to provide the condition that you're clothing in. So if it's brand new or if it's in very good condition. And then, of course, provide the amount of money that you would like to get for it. So and then after that, once everything is filled out, just click on the upload button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.